Wagwan ENT.
Chasing stars that stands for a while. Heaven can wait, we're only watching the.
Why is it the one just winning?
The best, but it's second the worst. Are you gonna jump the bomb on us? Hey, let us stay young, let us stay forever. You have the powers, but we never say never. Feeling innocent, fit life is a short trip. The music for the sadness.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the Night Doctor.
As we turn our faces into the sun.
Respect, Portmore, respect, maximum. I don't see no look like night people. Don't look like people who can't even stay up late. You know, so my time starts 1 o'clock, you know that. So it's not even night time for me yet. You know, the ultimate clutch when the dark reach Richie B, one night I must take him on,
Voice of the Night Doctor. In the meantime, don't forget, come this Sunday, the place will be Fort Clarence Beach. Exodus Stone Love alongside the Squad 51. Make it a date, don't be late. That's a little more from now on the beach, Fort Clarence. So the main, 3 the hard way. Exodus Stone Love, Squad 51. In the meantime, Super T inside the group on so Exodus Super T right now.
The chasing stars that stands for a while. Heaven can wait, we're only watching the sky. The chasing stars that stands for a while. Heaven can wait, we're only watching the skies. Hoping for the best, but expecting the worst. Are you gonna drop the bomb on us? Hey, let us stay young, let us stay forever. You have the powers, but we never say never. Feeling innocent, fit life is a short trip. The music for the sadness. Can you imagine when we face this world? As we turn our face.
What will say no respect reaching out to you and then crew. Article Mali.
Forever young.
He's a run shotty.
Forever young. Hey, do you really wanna live forever? Forever.
Georgia.
Forever.
Sister Janet.
I wanna be forever young. Hey, do you really wanna live forever? Forever young.
Also want to say hi, Sister Georgette.
Oh yeah.
Out to the ships.
Someone like water, someone like the heat, someone like the beat. Sooner or later they all be gone. They don't stay on. I don't wanna perish like a faded rose. Use like diamonds in sand, and diamonds are forever. So many advantage could have come today. So many songs people gonna play. So many dreams when you are in the cold. Living forever, forever young. I wanna be forever young. Hey, do you really wanna live forever and ever? Forever young. Oh. Hey, do you really wanna live forever?
Once again, baby Wayne, get in touch with Junior Reid like in Jamaica.
Oh, yeah.
This is Exodus.
Oh, baby. Yeah. Someone like water, someone like the heat. Someone like melodies and some of the beats. Sooner or later they all be gone. They don't stay on.
He's acquainted.
It's so hard to get old without a cause. I don't wanna perish like a faded rose. Use like diamonds in sand, and diamonds are forever. So many advantage could have come today. So many songs people gonna play. So many dreams when you are in the cold. Living forever young. I wanna be forever young. Hey, do you really wanna live forever and ever? Forever young.
God, the big two nights and days inside the boat. You want to say hi, Sister Marva, Sister Marsha, and all the ladies outside the prairie.
This crew out of Eastern Kingston and gave you some wicked sounds like one called Me Say Me Love That Sound You Bad. On top of the Bobby Digital label, he gave you one which is a perfect description of the times in which we live, where reggae music is getting a fight. Are you ready? Please help me welcome to center stage, Shaka, Shamba. Step up urgently and touch it nice and neatly. Exodus, let's hear the rhythm.
Big up, man. Portmore people, you know, some cry for all girls. Now blossom, all the man take away people, all Jamaica people them. Level up! I mean, man. Big fat cold one by the Shaka Shamba love the girls them, man. Watch this, Portmore. Me say me love the girls them, but me love them next door. Tongue and them me can't get digger. Wheel out! So we work it. Richie, we understand. I mean them call John Books, man. Oh boy. What a piece of audacity. Girls them look nice and sexy. Hey, hey. Watch it. Me say me love the girls them, but me love them next door. Tongue and them me can't get the girls them, but me get mad. Love the girls them, but me love them next door. Tongue and them me can't get the girls them, but me get. Watch out. Oh, tell it to a lady. Shaka Shamba come and them up in them books. Oh, tell it to a lady. Shaka Shamba come and wheel out. That's what that rude boy can, you know, so I just half an hour thing. Every man want to touch it live. Next track. Call I want you have to big up all rude boys. You understand what I'm talking about? All bad boys. Big up on the chest. Maximum. You understand what I'm talking about? Watch it, touch me. Watch it. Say them a idiot and them out of fire shot. If you make a body, then they come. Wheel out. Oh God, man, that's how we see you, man. Big up all entertainer. Junior Reid, Baby William, Steve Knight, Michael Buckley, Ian Sweet with Partner, big up, man. All Vineyard Town Crew, Rollington, watch it. Say them a idiot and them out of fire shot. If you make a body, then they count of it. Now them a idiot and them out of fire shot. If you make a body, then they count of it. Watch out. Borderline is how we run that. And them white try a thing and just be a gunshot away. Control the 16, control the Glock. Wheel out. Next shock. Alright, hold it now. You see this now? This is the anthem. Now me notice from the other day every time when I come out, pain shy on like yourself. Jesus Christ, and see some man marching. And them say turn down that. Lock off that. And the people them have to go, yeah, man. Them sitting here I run things out, boy. You understand? Them sitting here have to stop, man. Can't go on so. How long it take go on so far? How long it take go on so far? Eh? Me want to know. Alright? Watch this. Fight, fight, fight. Reggae, you get a bit. Wheel out! Jesus Christ, anthem, man. One more piece. Cause I don't want enough of we there. I'm a DJ, brother, them have to touch it. Listen this tune, man. National anthem for Christmas. Think all I ask you should be. Can't fight the reggae for long. Watch it. Fight, fight, fight. Reggae, you get a big fight, 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 fight. Reggae, you get a big. Watch it. I pull out with the reggae, don't them you taste so bad. Anybody hate reggae, some of them must say murder. With the reggae, don't them you taste so bad. Anybody hate reggae, some of them must say man, they take a little man. Reggae say not foreign, they take a little man. Reggae say not foreign country. Then why they want reggae? We go watch them when reggae music at the backbone. They are a country, I just fight, fight, fight. Fight, love it up.
Let's hear the applause, please, for the man called Shaka Shamba as we run things nice and neat, y'all. Are you ready for more? Inside the center stage at this point in time, please help me to welcome a brother who spars with a man called Shaka Shamba, but this time he's not a DJ, he's a singer. Did a cover version of a song called My First Real Love. Let's welcome new sensation Ian Sweetness. Step up urgently and touch two-piece.
Thrill, sane, No respect goes out to all the nice and decent Portmore girls. I want to hear the girls them scream. When I hear a jet man scream. For real. Well, listen, before me even start, I'm going to sing a nice love song for you. For real, sing. Lovers blame those games on me so long. I started to believe I never found anyone. So you try to convince me again, and you can't win. From the day, baby, the sun comes shining through. The rain of God in the skies are blue. Good for true, all the revelation to see. So what of sailing out of you to me? Oh, well, give it a hush for them. For real, saying car when I waste no time. For real, all the nice and decent girls. Whoa, yeah, not a mercy why. They may think I'm a fool for loving you. They don't know what we have is so special. Time and time,
Nothing.
I love you more. Looks so good. I'm the one to let you go. Just one kiss, and I'm in here to see. Hold me close, sing sweet song for me. I've got to sing this to you. It's my first real love. All of always been. My first real love. I don't want to lose you now. Every time we get so close, I'm afraid the love will lose us both. Oh baby, my first real love of all. Well, listen to the one here. I know it's the massive supposed to know this one. Saying, give me the cherry or baby rhythm there. Read, hold it. Them have some people. Hold it. Them have some people saying, instead of them see them sister and walk down the road with a heavy load, they want to give them a hand. Saying, I want you to show a little kindness, okay? Well, run it. Latest show this. Give them a hand, a helping hand. Yeah. If you see a brother standing by the road, one more piece out of the nine of a commit crime saying, run it. Give them a hand. Yes, I want you to give them a hand. If you see a brother standing by the road with a heavy load on the loaded street goes. If you see a sister walking down the way, just stop and say, you're going the wrong way. You've got to show little kindness, shine your light for everyone to see. And when you show little kindness, he will overlook the blindness. All the narrow-minded people, all the narrow-minded things.
Wagwan ENT.
Let's say it one time for the man called Ian Sweetness. The applause he gets is the applause he deserves. Respect to the max. Now we're going to stick with the St. Catherine crew, you know. Most recent release is one called Gun Fool. And when we say that, we know say certain brethren of mine are making way to center stage. You understand? Before that, he gave you a song called Dollars Provider. Portmore, are you ready? St. Catherine born DJ, just back from Connecticut where he tore the place apart. Maximum respect to Doc Bartley and the crew. Skullman, step up urgently.
Yeah, man, respect. Lovely. Now, all the massive Skullman respect to the players, the party and part two. And I'm rich beat, you know. All the girls, them, we don't talk too long, got enough DJ on the back. All the girls, them, scream. Watch it, star, you know, star. Now that the girls, them got the hate and them a set things straight. Them keep on them, yes, I move not different. Watch it, girls, them got the hate and them a set things straight. Them keep on them, yes, I move not different. Hey, gala, take time for wine, gala. Take time for wine, gala. Scream! That's why the girls, them scream. Scream! No man, nothing, make them the scream. Go you back to man in the house and them a make them the scream. You fi turn on your light, turn on your sail, they man a run the bugger, them a half of the sea. Them a act like woman, them a act feminine. Wine! That's how the girls, them a wine. Wine! The girls, them a do it every time. Ouch! That's how the girls, them sound. Ouch! No man, nothing, make them the sound. Go you back to man in the house and them a make them the sound. Ouch! And there's no woman around. You fi gas the building, burn the house down, and run the bugger, them out of the town. And them, hold on! Real man. And I hear the people, I just pass where I pass, cause I rich big things seen. Well, I know the big things are going for the ninja in foreign, so don't worry yourself, cause I'm a ninja power and enough things are going for you, road, but don't worry yourself. Sting massive, set speed. Well, now you know, star, let's have the rhythm, cause a long time with about your scene. I'm one of the roughest DJ, the world know that. Let's have respect to all entertainers, the cat. Big up Shamba the way there, Capleton, set speed, man, baby, we in maximum respect. You know, star? Hey, you know, star? The better splurge, DJ, mind you again. The better splurge, DJ, mind you again. The better splurge, cast Skullman, come for run. We got the roughest DJ, man, now we run the town, the thing. Like me, I tell them, make we have a show down. Represent me some DJ, me say in around the town. Represent at the Las Vegas, for the one up a son. Represent the Charlie Chaplin, down a red pan. Lieutenant Scratchy, me say Daddy Mickey. We are the super duper pooper Scully. Watch me, no DJ win the style and I go challenge we. Not from Cornwall, Middlesex and down and sorry. Never tell you about the DJ them who a challenge we. So the DJ them we come from Kingston City. Ninja man cut the rocks and the wild Apache, Capleton, Tony Rebel and General Tree. The first one them said was the one ninja man. Who we woke up and nasty call Skullman. When me lick him and me touch him with the Skullman slang him say, me rather die before me reach 21 than fit challenge the Skullman. People come again, car. Me rather die before me reach 22 than fit challenge the Skullman. You know the next one them said was the one super cat. Him say left me make me come down, make me come down. Dong 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 dong. When super cat come and say DJ turn down. Super cat say him off it turn him back. He say why super cat make you off it turn him back. Him say enough man a die, yeah me say enough man a die. No one they come out Apache high. Enough man a die, yeah me say enough man a. The next one them said was the one Capleton. Capleton to the stage and say not turn along. Me say why Capleton make you not turn along. He say Chande buckle them up ping pong man. That's why me not stay upon it. Love you.
He's a Skullman just passing through. Maximum respect in the Mampy way. Right about now, the next DJ was a brother who copped the award in New York City in 1990 for being the most progressive and the best upcoming DJ out of Jamaica. Just before we introduce the next brother, I must take time to commend Super DJ out of Jamaica. From the stables of Super Cat with songs behind him such as Defend You Man, which was dedicated to the women, and a song called Pankak. Let's welcome the Indian, Apache, Scratchy, Apache, Scratchy. Step up.
Is it? Article respect in all aspects. select to all nice and decent progressive people. Hold on, man. Crank up the mic volume a little more for me too. You know. Well, you want to stay a fasting, you know, because right, never do my thing easy. Well, go down. Easy Stumpy. Super Team Massive Exodus. Jesus Christ, more people. You know the body without that love, you know. Plain low. When I was a little baby, I used to bust me special. Looney. But now that I'm a big man, me don't let me M1. Take it up. If a boy want to test me, me will kill it and bury it. Come in a run, not a pet shop. Come in with the momentum. That's why test me now with me gun in me and I say, yes! Oh God Almighty. Would I hear me now? It's the two me ever do me thing nice and spicy in a hurry. I'm the latest this, the one I call Water Ride. Go down! Easy Josh Bang. Basket of virgin, keep it on door yourself. Hear me now. Water ride, wicked little ride, water ride, dangerous ride, water ride, wicked little ride, water ride, dangerous ride. Man, they should have seen me down and Marcus can't be tried. But take yellow man over evening tide. Check me little cousin them down a standpipe. Lead down the governor general and never touch him wife. Make a bad lick after the food price. Me sit and lick down money and say water ride, wicked little ride, water ride, dangerous ride, water ride, wicked little ride, water ride, dangerous ride, lightning speed down the spur tree hill, and me under 50 approve him still, anything test me down then must get killed, sight Uncle Jack and me sign Big Jill, sight half part and me sign Ting Jill, sight Tony Rebel with him grandfather Will, come to blessing and then me stop on the grill, check Big Youth him and me hygiene, say water ride, wicked little ride, water ride, dangerous ride, water ride, wicked little ride, water ride, wicked little ride, leave the country soon, yes a town me come back, come jump up in down to Ellis no flat, a check sister pot up a jack still top, dolly 2 off a tree, reach Ken Cat, reach Maxfield beside a naughty dreadlocks, soon him a singing near the trench down rock, come a wall down beside a big road block, X amount of soldier, X amount of cop, Johnny P right off the Shaggy one the chunk back, come through the white line, the mama green hat, reach water house, one a jam is me stop, side King Edward and Gregory Isaac, side Colin Roches, Mowgli and Black, across court the melody, young much in flop, side Super Black, stuck side the early black, and out of Arrows Road, the Harry team me felt that, and if you don't believe me, ask Jonah Cat, and up a penthouse when me shuffle up the pack, give rebel vegetable him a natty dread, so water ride, water, hold on. How are you coming, my team? You can shuffle the pack here, baby. Well, all nice and decent Portmore girls. I'm going to take a little shuffle, because I know some me rule the pack. After me, take out the S, the queen, and the spinning jack, and thing left back flop. Come down. East the Richard B. Don't be yourself. Love you, look at that, I stand up, giant to the wall in the bottom with the volley. Dog and Apache come to the matter. How you feel when me shuffle and deal? How you feel when me shuffle and deal? How you feel?
About that thing, Godfather, Capleton, big up yourself. Hold on, the selector, hold on. Big up Mama, see her down there, so there. Yeah, I see that. Big things are going. Jonah Reid, big up yourself. Early be the doctor and the fisherman too. Papa don't want yourself, Papa. You are going all Jordan Warriors, blood fire. You are going now. Bow them man, this kill man and get wanted. No responsibility, man, no liar, bitch. Yeah, man. I see this, man. Yeah, man. Big things are going. Godfather Capleton, step up. Say, yeah. A big thing, man. Mr. Capleton, I place and things. Say, Jonah Reid, step up, father. Here you go on. Bow them wanted. Yeah, me tell the people, Mama, you murderer, you pay tear ducts out. One more time, Father Capleton, step cross, see? Here we go on again, people. See? Early be the doctor, blood fire warriors, all Portmore people. I be able to find you. Your mother want you before certain things want. Because on a file and a machine, big up for me, they want that. Oh, you want live big. So they want
it, man, before it done X amount of things. Mr. Mad, man, enough thing now, super big watcher. A big thing that go on. Run the toad, boy. All of the progressive people, and watch the Portmore people. Let me tell them, sir. Have mercy. Oh, yes. Watch out. What me say? Big A. While the sunshine, life is down there, I'm a terrible. Legal. No things that I'm not telling, man. Not telling them I'm proud of my son, man. Cause big things that go on, man. A long time I tell them, man. They never know what go on. What me tell them, say? Have mercy. Watch it, Junior Reid, cause you want to know. You want to go on. Big A. While the sunshine, life is down there, I'm a terrible. I'm a terrible. Big A. While the sunshine, why are the people? Watch out. After we seek, we will surely find. I sit down on the street side and gears out with time. Education, clean hearted, powerful mind. All Jericho wall, no nothing till we climb. Remember, never get this out your mind. Nothing never happened before the time. Big A, while the sunshine, life is down. Hold on, life hard, but you can still make a move. If you make a move, you will surely improve. Life hard, but you can still make a try. If you make a try, say you must get a blind. Life hard, but you can still make a break. If you make a break, you will. Legal.
Watch me, massive. Let's hear what you say. Now then, are you ready? International reggae recording superstar. Let's welcome Mr. One Blood Junior Reid. Center stage action. Are you ready, massive? Now, Junior Reid, you're wanted. Step up.
Yeah, war is not a place. Sportman now. Yeah. Batman, boy. Have him gone in I'm ways. Nine man. Come in at the dance. Come in at the session. No man no Lord. No man no better than no man. No man no rough, no tough. No man no better than no. Man no bigger, better brother, larger than no man. Bad boy is gonna die, boy. Die tonight, boy. I fell in love with the Portmore people. Hear me ling, boy. Well, all these sexy girls, them come shocking out. Oh. Standing in a no. Standing in a no man no rope, no tough, no man no better than no man. No man no rope, no tough, no man no better than no man. No man no bigger, better brother, larger than no man. No man no bigger, better brother, larger than no. If a badness you what the lady, you keep it to yourself, career. Boy, poison. If a badness you what the lady, you keep it to yourself, we are poison. Now, boy, simpleton, yes, we are no simpleton, no. Simpleton, yes, we are no simpleton. Easy, baby, winner, you are no simpleton. Second Capleton, you are no simpleton. Portmore, massive, them are no simpleton. Come in at the dance, come in at the station. Well up your one if you're not simpleton. Well up your one if you're not. So no absence. At the selector they behind it now. Radio station no absence. At the selector they behind it. Richie B. No man no rough, no tough, no man no better than no man. No man no rough, no tough, no man no better than no man. No man no bigger, better brother. Lord, take it up. Say no fi call me, you no call me. There's one thing I'd like to say to you. These words are true. Big up Mr. Langston. Say no call we, do no call we no play again. Lord, say no. You sound so sweet. Come and say what and it's already no one no passport. Never chat a tune now man on the airport. Love it up.
What you say? Watch me ball one piece of Judah and
Wagwan
Junior
ENT.
Junior done. So if you love Junior Reid, then lick toe shot. Toe shot. Toe shot. Junior Reid one more time. Just out of closing time.
Yo, come in, baby Wayne, cause we are gonna shout out. Come in, baby Wayne. Come in, Capleton. Cause we are nice of the Portmore crew. Hey, say you no be call way. Do no call way for play against. Hey, say you no be call way. Do no call way no banana boat man. Hey, come and say, oh, Johnny Chopper really no one no passport. Never travel to Norman man the airport. See down at the one poor man airport. How we may vote on a banana boat. Guess you are run thing. See the ragamuffin, him a run thing. You know what the cool up. You know the ragamuffin though? Ragamuffin, reach a jail, bust the case and appeal. Tell them baby when we ragamuffin do. Lord. Father, hold on to my selector. I want to give him back the original mama already, make a deal with that thing there. Mr. Richie, hold on there. Just after the boy do so much thing and go to prison, the boy appeal. Big things are going on. Another part two people. Be a wait for the case of put and foul of paper. Kill up, big up yourself. All you and go Loretta. Don't worry yourself, Michelle, you're one. Him appeal. And bust the case them, him appeal. Now, but that's the sentence, the egg, him appeal. And bust the case them, him appeal. Now, but that's the sentence, the egg, the boy coming up from the GP. The brown and cool like him go at in. The boy coming up from the rich man as him jumping by a park and start cultivation. Coming up from Port Augusta as the boy jump and run him start and dog bamboo. The boy coming up from Rockers Island with piece of paper draw out after them no one no 16, no M1. One live good and him life fast song. Want a big house which is a mansion him a build. And bust the gate them him a build. Now but that's the dance the egg him a build. And them hold on the people. Godfather Capleton come deal that piece.
Run it, set piece. X amount of things. Watch a man, a new thing I go after the Portmore girl. Watch her now. You're some boy attack a Portmore girl and run things, man. Have mercy. Watch how the girl them look good, man. You ever tell him so? Oh yes, watch her now. Me ball, oh, say Portmore girl them no sweet. Tell them, say them not no hype it in. Oh, say Portmore girl them no sweet. Tell them, who will I walk one, man? See, and they shall find. Portmore girl and them have the gold mine. And it shall be given. And them, watch ya, I got the Polish.
Yes, watch ya now, watch ya. Oh, them a dance man, and them a be them woman. Woman a left them and them a ball like a ram. Oh, them a dance man, and them a be them woman. Woman a left, watch ya. You hit your woman and she left you can't get her back. Get her, you can't get her back. Me woman, hear the well.
Now, massive Exodus, take it down because we have a minute to do. As a matter of fact, we're overtime, but the entertainers don't have to go, you know, because you want some more? Do you want some more? Watch me now. We're going to take time to say thanks to you and to every crew. Just lick one booyaka so Jamaica can hear. Massive would like to thank the executive producer, Mr. Hardhammer, engineer on location, Sugar Ralph McKenzie, respect to the RJR crew, respect to all entertainers, respect to the security forces, those involved in so many different ways. Thanks to you and Bush Stennet in Studio 3.
The other side of saying, remember message to each and every one. And I want to listen carefully in a cappella style. Hold up. Don't beat it, hold it. Just youths no fi take it. Who take it, them a wreck it. Who sell it, them a make it. And them a make it more. Just tell the youths no fi take it. No. Who take it, them a wreck it. Who sell it, them a make it. Cause them a make it. Give me now. One junkie choke a lot, me know you paro ho. Used to walk fast, now you a walk slow ho. Inna your nose, that a white snow ho. That's where your pound, shilling and pence and dollars go ho. Sight a Indian friend a selling buffalo ho. William Tell, pan out in boho. Tananity no ho. Yeah, we see them a chat about Santa Claus, a Santa fraud. You don't wanna. Danny, you know. Yeah. That's the Lord. Say, you only got a few days more to get the guns you want out of the gun store. On the first day of Christmas, guess what Santa bring for me? A box of dog plate and a box of LP. Rap-a-pam-pam, we don't want no rap-a-pam-pam. 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 Say what is the meaning of rap-a-pam-pam? We're gonna tell them the meaning of rap-a-pam-pam. Pam-pam, lick a shot out of the rap-a-pam-pam. And you get dropped through the rap-a-pam-pam. Say what kind of prison through the rap-a-pam-pam. And I do life sentence through the rap-a-pam-pam. When Santa come to town with long gun in a man. Tell me Santa Claus where you are do the youth man. Give him a guitar and a mic in him. Make him go nice on stage show and make dance jam. And growing at this world as a big musician. And trot all over the globe and chant Rasta song. Rap-a-pam-pam, we don't want no rap-a-pam-pam. Rap-a-pam-pam, we don't want no rap-a-pam-pam. You only got a few days more to get the Christmas, guess what Santa bring for me? First day of Christmas, guess what Santa bring for me? A Glock, a Magnum, and a rusty M3. Tell him must ya tell me if he go shot somebody. But if me shot somebody and reach a GP, me know say Santa fraud now go come visit me. Him now go make the liar get no money. Me don't want no rap-a-pam-pam, no rap-a-pam-pam. Rap-a-pam-pam, me don't want no rap-a-pam-pam. Come in, baby, Wayne, Lord. Respect, Father. Here I go, old selector. Give peace to the punani thing there. All of the girls, them stay good. Come for deal with the phone case now. Yeah, here we are going now. A big things, man. I be able to wait for the girl, them case. Here we are going, a girl thing there. Brand new style, come down phone. Blood, bam, back and balance, and shoulder. And that thing there. Yeah, me tell them, I got Father Capleton. Big things to the girl, them now. You tell them. Have mercy, watch it now. I think she turn up. In my house, she have fun. I should turn up in my house, up on my bed, she won't come. Turn up. In my house, she have fun. I should turn up in my house, up on my bed, she won't come. From the TV, my table, and bed, she won't come. I wonder if she them is coming. Come the girl coming up. She come from me bed, have the 10 ounce of fluff. All of she put me out there, the girl coming up. She come from me bed, spring here, and boom, boom, a chaka like a steam engine. She coming up. You must think, say a joke of the side like another, hang out like a rope. Coming up, you think she easy requesting long donkey, cause in her red like cherry. She coming up, the girl reach her from soon. Fly past me kitchen, gone in my bedroom. Guess what she request? Operation room. She wants something tall, to sleep out her home. She turn up, in my house, she have fun. But she turn up in my house, up on my bed, she won't come. Turn up, in my house, she have fun. And she turn up, yeah, go on. The girl reach after so many years, the girl, so many when she cried, so many tears, the girl reach. In my house she appear, cock up on bed and skin out pan cheers, so she reach. And nobody never know she a think of me seat bag and play with the toes, so she reach. Girl a beg on me seat, go down on her knee and the girl a stop preaching. Want the leg down kick and the now ranking mate. I beg baby we end up it on her. One more time, Father, keep it on step cross.
We don't hold it the little now. I get to understand from the other day people. Me say me there England and me come back, man. Every dance me go them lock it off, man. But me want them know say, man. I'm go the strong survive, man. Mr. Reid tell them again, man. I'm go the meek shall inherit the earth, man. The more you live, the more you learn. Music alone shall live and never die. You are going crowd of people. Run things, cause them are going and can't done poor people fun. Hear me tell Portmore people, say, watch me, Dwight, and I go to the extra amount. All the girls, say. All the original rude, what me tell you, say. Oh yes. Watch me. You see the dance. I see a show no fit done. If you don't love the reggae music, play no gun. You see the dance. I see a show no fit done. If you don't love the reggae, me tell you, boy. Me tell them, no lock it up and don't turn it down. He love the reggae music today. Maximum, me tell them, no lock it up and don't turn it down. He love the reggae. Watch ya, man. Set the show a prison over. Them never lock it down. Dance up park camp and them never lock it down. Look how much thing them keep in a national stadium. Never see policeman come lock it down. Them walk up like a this town them in a Kingston. Seems like them want done poor people fun. You see the dance. I see a show knock it A new thing are going. I lyrics just line I made, man. Watch enough things are going. New style for the girl, man. From the other day, man. A whole heap of thing get dead. Let me tell him something is Polish. Hear the girl have a request. Hear me, man. Have mercy. Hear the girl tell me to show out who God. Oh, yes. Watch me. She want it all like it to make she feel pain. That's when she not the bed, she does a straight. All like it to make she feel pain. That's when she not the bed, she does a straight. Chuku. The girl are going like a train. Shh. She are going like a rain. Woo. Like a ninja bike on the main. Like a year Jamaica plane. All like it. Make she feel pain. She get this all like it. It makes she feel pain. That's when she, hold on. But if it's soft like a butter, she no want that. Soft like a aisle, she no want that. If it 1 inch short, you have to take it back. If it 2 inch short, you have to dress back. She want it tall like a cane, it tough like a rock. That's when she in a bed, foolishness, she a chat. Boom! Just like a gunshot. Boom! Like when a big stone drop. She a go like a cat. She a go like a cock. Ticka, the girl a go like a clock. Legal! Agony Polish!
What it do, boy? Yeah. Original Agony Polish, man. Big up all of the Newland crew. You have some look boy, man, I go and I get them gal bun. All of the gal them. Back me straight up to the one. Watch me now. You me say? Some man I give them gal bun and they don't know what say it at. Money! Gal because them can't take it back to them. I give them gal bun and they don't know what say it at. Money! Gal because them can't take it back. Gal bun him all pan him high top. Bun him all pan him shoulder top. Cause you no man idiot. No man can kick in your back. The boy now let off no cash. He can't buy you one frack. They can't kick in your back to them and give them girl bun and them don't know say it. Money. Girl they got them can't take it back. Girl bun him. The boy now carry you out. Bun him. Every night the boy sleep out. Bun him with the youth Polish. Bun him. Polish make your house furnish. Bun him with the youth baby Wayne. Bun him. Baby Wayne I buy your cool chain. Bun him with the one Capleton. Bun him Capleton I find your gumption. Bun him with the one Junior Reid. Bun him Junior Reid and you in my breed. Give them girl but none of them can't take him. Bun him. Hold on. Come in Beagle. Come in Father Beagle. Now X amount of respect to all Massive and crew. Portmore people love you now. Now this tune is dedicated to all girls, but I can't forget the articles on them. Pick up on the chest and speed. Hear it now. All 10 girls. This one is for the autumn leaves. Take away. Hold! I told you. Just one piece out of the number 9. Come with it. Lord of His mercy. Now baby, we big up your chest. Capleton and all crew. Hear it. Take away the autumn leaves. Take away the summer breeze. But don't take away your love. No. Take away the moon and sky. Take the sunshine from my eyes. But don't take away your love. Lord, no. Let me touch your lips. I know the thrill of all your trials. Yeah. Then I'll hold the world, the very world within my arms. Oh, girl, take away the chest of spring. Take away my everything. But don't take away your love. No. Don't take away your love. Hey! No, Buckley, take peace now.
Yeah, man, them in a day or two. Michael Buckley on the place scene. Arthur Smith, big up. Junior Reid, all in the massive. You're so sweet. Oh, Lord. Hey. You're a sweet child, so relaxing. Ease up. You see. Yeah, man. Father Leng, respect. Arthur Smith, and all the massive. Mr. Reid. Everybody, man. You're so sweet,
my baby. Oh yeah, you're so sweet. Don't give me no shaky, shaky love, and I don't want it. Come on, no shaky, shaky, shaky love, and I don't deserve it. I gave you all my loving, I gave you everything, I gave you love and affection, and even let you wear my ring. Come on, and now you see the light, the light, the light. You don't treat me right. Will it? Mr. Reid, come in now. No distressing.
Yeah, hear me? I will touch one more for the people, them so I can't even say. Say, Diana, Diana, no. Diana, Diana, no. Ain't gonna make mistakes, so take your weed off of me. I watch you every move, don't let it be a million times before. Too blind to see. Oh, you diss every man, and now you wanna use me. Now you know that's okay, and now you get what you want. I got the stuff that you need, thing that you want. Look me deep in the eyes, telling me lies. So it is not going back, cause it's sleeping with me. Groupie Diana, Lord. Groupie Diana, Lord. Groupie Diana, Lord. Groupie Diana. Lord, come me black, look how me shine. This is not a secret to keep in your mind. Diana, this is the original foreign mind. They must be blind. Whoa, must be blind, blind. Hear me now. So worry them, I worry them, I worry them, I worry them. Must be deaf, they must be blind. Worry them, I worry them, I worry them, I worry them. Look how me black, look how me. This is not a Jackson sing the girl is my hand. Boy charge love too much man behind. Over foreign them sell them and Jamaican sell a him. Now cook me soup without me have me time. Me now go mix me wash without me have me like him. Baby wash me clothes, she hang it on the line. Someone can a foreign can go turn shoe shine. Rather do some business on the front line. Call me, do not call me no banana boat man. Hey. Lord, hey, come me surrounded by me ambition. Miss Scotty down my plan and who play that Tony William and the Yuka David Radigan. Ticketing Mohoy, Nani, Hini Mohoy, Nani, Mohoy, Nani, Nani, Mohoy, Nani, Nini Mohoy, Nani. I want to tell you something. Say New York nice spot in there. Canada nice spot in there. I want to hear you know. Dancehall people, long time in a dancehall style. Tell me, New York nice spot in there. Canada nice spot in there. Say London nice spot in there. Tell you say Jamaica nice. Living in Jamaica that's a paradise. Cook me food, tell you we nice. I can banana for me lunch, eat it by the bunch. Relax in a coach, I drink me fruit punch. Any girl pass me say I honey bunch. Can I take you out to dinner, take you out to lunch? Then we got ning ning more, hinny more. Babylon release the chain, but they might use them. No, nana, love on the people. Come in, Richie B. Hey, out of mercy. Hey, I put on a driver, make it so resider. Y'all know will want a driver for the put on a driver, make it so resider. Will want a driver for the under. Big tree chunky, this a home turn now. I'll put on a bad murder, me transfer. One them pin on me, I put on a driver. Some man up. Ease up, road boy, ease up, ease up. Alright, we all of the girls, watch us set this. Listen me. So much one thing good for nothing. A long time you hear something new. Watch out. Out of mercy. This is the new style me come to teach them. Rougher than the style where them call name win. Tennessee name have no girlfriend. When me bought them up, you know one enough stop to them. Big up all the stiff titty gal them. Floppy titty gal, me no want them. Ring run the big old gal them. Feel them. Style again.
Respect to the max. Now,
and them a talk about gun, man. When I talk, you know, we just do action with gun right now, the brand new gun. We didn't even tell away name, and now in a far. Upon the day, I tell away name that when I not drop a Jamaica yet. When it drop a Jamaica pop up, some boy a talk about gun. Article, gun, sample gun. You have to talk to we paned. No, all of the Exodus man, them now you have some boy going on a talk about them is Dan Dada, them is grandmother. You have some boys so them is Dan Gargan, them is mouth organ. Original gun talk when the new gun come a bad man sample them man. Now you know Grinds man, the original barn under the clock and we
Boys on the planet.
Case again, Papa. Watch on our Exodus man them. 10 and 10. This is 9 more than them. Exodus son, we are gonna give them problem. Well, man. Say we not say.
Walk one ENT.
When the new gun come, a bad man sample them. We not say. When the new gun come, Exodus sample them. Every bad man now police wanted to. Them can't get with gun man. Now where them a go do? Every gun bad man now police wanted to. Them can't get with gun man. Now where them a go do? Bad man bus special police a bus special too. Bad man bus 60 police a bus 62. Bad man bus matic police a bus matic too. Bad man bus was the police a bus was it too. Bus on the type of gun is unbelievable. I know they don't get the desert eagle. We not say no boy no have gun. When the new gun come, grind man sample them. We not say no boy no have gun. Check all the hood in a you with them if you want take it out. All the shit you do can't get the body out. All the hood in a you with them if you want take it out. All the shit you do can't get the body out. The flight ship out of the hole. Gone in a meeting motor. The thing attack can't get the body out. The flight ship out of the hole. Gone in a gala motor. And a gala attack can't get the body out. Me say, whoa, tell you know you're better than your mate. Whoa, tell you me a jump off a shape. Whoa, tell you know you have the good dollar. Whoa, you want the man under control. Whoa, tell you not bitch out your face. Whoa, tell you what the natural beauty. Would you know you will not get want to take it out. And the thing you do can't get the body out of sight. Slip out of your hole. Gone in a meeting motor. Me a thing attack can't get the body out of sight. Whoa, tell you know you're better than your mate. Whoa, tell you me a jump off a shape. Whoa, Exodus it on the road. Exodus, get it, what you gonna do? You just get trash scratches, no black. That the wood in a wall, she don't have no yet. Boy, happy a wood she a get. The wood in a wall, she don't have nothing yet. Boy, happy a wood she a get. So much man that she don't own nothing yet. Boy, and she don't own nothing yet. She takes so much man that she don't own nothing yet. Boy, and she don't own nothing yet. The ball boy, girl you have your buffet. Boy, say girl you have your bracelet. Boy, say girl you have your good one. Boy, say girl you have for your car. Boy, say that you know your own good. Cause the wood in her wall and she don't have nothing yet. Boy, happy a hood she a get. She takes so much man that she don't own nothing yet. Boy, and she don't own nothing yet. Girl, show me something how way you go the whole game. Make it a bracelet, girl, you still get something. Girl, show me something how way you get. Exodus, girl, let me know you, my baby. Look man, look good, girl. Look how the girl them look good. The Exodus, girl, man, know say, man, I do the money. Yes, time for the skill down the baby. Watch a squidly rank in the town. Hear me now. All the girl them. The girl, show me something how way you go the whole game. Boy, how way you go the whole game. If you get a bracelet, girl, you still get something. Boy, hey, girl, you still get something. If you get $20, girl, you still get something. Boy, and then you still get something.
I'm all give me the Benz, put on and make me go and drive it out. And all Aston Cambridge go and go cool out. And Benz, put on and make me go and drive it out. And all taxi cab just go and go cool. 2040 man, I rest your body.
Again, my article is select.
Now all them girls them with the Benz put on it. Line up over there, stuck on the street. This is the girl them with the taxi. Go over there, stuck. Prestige run the country. What's this?
I'm all give me the Benz, put on and make me go and drive it out. And all Aston Cambridge go and go cool out. Benz, put on and make me go and drive it out. And all taxi cab just go and go cool. 2040 man, I rest your body. That's him for me, said that the girl a taxi. If I make 41, but me no want it. Prefer if she give it a dick and Tom and Harry. Lord, I come on in our country. out. And all asking Cambridge go and go cool. Ben phone on them, go and drive it out. And all taxi.
God, the beginning of respect to all the uppercut crew.
Only you know when me.
Article Mark the Barber.
Right. Put on the ball out and no put on the square. Put on the get about and no put on the turn. Put on the roundabout. One thing me know me now go eat it in the mouth. Me use my breathe knife and slice it up all about. Me show them grind for them stop put on the scout. Give me the Benz put on them and go and drive it out. And all asking Cambridge go and go cool. Some girl go like say them after them go have one frack girl. Ball it out you have X amount of that. Some go like say them shit that them go have one shoes girl. Bring out your foot you have X amount of that. Now wine. I made the general say ball it out you no afraid of nobody. Girl wine. I made the gargan say hold up your on your neck full of jewelry. Me notice from what you from you start get trash. All of your friends them a walk and a chat. You all of them a say you a boy like you hot. A boy like you nice like you dip on top. But nothing no wrong if you boy like you hot. You inna you wanna shoes and you inna you wanna frock girl. You wanna cool chain and you cool watch and you wanna hold people yard you don't cut. Bad man it a go kill you all of them. Grudgeful it a go bad you all of them. Bad man it a go kill you all of them. Grudgeful it a go bad you all of them. Some of your best friend, baby best friend then. I show you bad bitch you don't know how I do them. Some of your best friend, baby best friend. I show you school bitch you don't know how I do them. Them get up every day and talk about you and them a friend. They want look better than you, don't know why you look better than them. And you look better than them, you know the friendship end them. Go round the bed and them go tell them other friend. I talk about you a boy like you nicer than them.
Easy never.
Man it a go kill you all of them. Grudgeful it a.
Yeah, Uncle Buju Banton.
Bad man it a go kill you all of them.
Red Rose, that the lizard. Hearts reaching out the one just waiting. Penthouse mega star.
I'm the general say, all the truth for you no afraid of nobody. I'm the gargan say,
well, I Shaka Shamba to me see.
Me notice from what they from you start get trash. All of your friends them a walk and a chat. You all of them a taboo, you a go like you hot. Me boss things a go for me, but nothing a go for you. Whoa, can nothing a go for you. Me boss things a go for me, but nothing a go for you. Whoa, can nothing a go for you. Tell you mean you look so good that you no reach for it yet. Whoa, but you no reach for it yet. Tell you mean you look so round and you no reach for it yet. Whoa, but you no reach for it yet. Look for your hairstyle and you no reach for it yet. Whoa, but you no reach for it yet. Tell you take so much man and you no reach for it yet. Whoa, when you reach, girl, you take what you get. Me give you ticky for the body and ticky for the shape. Whoa, a enemy a set a pace. 10 out of 10 for the face and the shape. Whoa, because body look great. Bang bang for the waist, bang bang for the face. Whoa, because it jump off a shape. Sing this a song when you sight for your mate. Hey, when you sight for you think things are going for me, but nothing are going for you. Whoa, can nothing are going for you. You think things are going for me, but nothing are going for you. Whoa, can nothing are going for you. Tell you mean you look so good and you no reach for it yet. Whoa, but you no reach for it yet. Tell you mean you look so round and you no reach Miami yet. Whoa, when you reach, tell me no say I did. Tell you full of so much gold and you no reach New York yet. Whoa, but you no reach New York yet. Tell you take so much man and you no reach for it yet. Whoa, when you reach, girl, you take what you get. Me give you ticky for the body and ticky for the shape. Whoa, a enemy a set a pace. 10 out of 10 for the face and the shape.
Easy squiddly ranks inside the girl center stage action. One more time. You understand the part there? Right about now, massive, it's just about 2 o'clock, still early. And we're promising that we're going to be jamming until 10 o'clock Sunday morning, right? Respect to the Rhythm Kings crew inside and Boucha. Emphasize respect in every aspect. Right about now, we have a combination of a singer and a DJ just passing through. And because we appreciate their respects, we're going to allow them to touch it nicely before they leave. As you can see, the ladies making their way closer to center stage. Do you know who is inside and Boucha? A brother who gave you a song called All This Time. Eternal Flame. More recently, he gave you one called Forever Young. Alongside the brother who gives you one called telling you about how much he loves his Browning. Wanda. Let's welcome the duo inside in Boucha. Article Wayne Wanda and Buju. Banton on top of the Exodus. Just passing through.
Now he's the rich to be. Buju Banton come big up your face.
Really want to feel a bargain, a deal, everything sealed. Portmore people will love you now to the ground. Now daddy listen with yourself. George and all the crew, see? What touch two tune can pass and pass and I don't know it go.
Better you, better me.
Now all the man with a stamina, big up on the chest worldwide. A big things are going. Buju Banton attack, I'm going to take back down. You will tell him, sir. We are the stamina daddy, with the girl picking it. All the Portmore girl, who know if you run, come on. Who hear me stamina daddy, with the girl picking it. The sexy body girl, them run, come on. Who tell them, cause if a jacket, she a fi run well if he boy. And if a Susie, she a fi run well if he boy. And if a Millie, she a fi run well if he boy. If a Dorothy, she a fi run well if he. You hear how we are walking, we not say me sorry. Like a pressure cooker, but long tongue and a curry. And so we are the gold, the young girl. Who hear me stamina daddy, with the girl picking it. You put more girl them up in. Watch out. I know the stone, we make the girl a moan and groan. You just tell it to the maga man. You should think of me shit and the pillar to shit. What you go home, put me up on the bed and I'm gonna reach me. Ting, 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 ting. Me telephone. Oh, she call our friend name. Hold on. Where's the singer?
Now he's the Buju Banton. We cry champagne for the girls them. Saying, here's the red rose and the crow. Lizard, here's the stumpy. Super tea crow. Now all the girls them will love them straight up. Saying, Richie B, hear me say now. Don't lose your way with each passing day. You've come so far, so don't throw it away. Live believing, dreams are for weeping, wonders are waiting to start. Live your story, faith, hope, and glory. Hold to the truth in your eyes. Mix it down, but if we hold on together, hold on. Now give me a different slice there. Saying, it's the rich to be your respect is goal. Now all the road boys them in a place. That's only after you. See, all the road boys are go dance some long time. Hear me now. To be true to one another, to be kind and gentle to each other, to do your best when it's acts confused, to do what you have to do when you're supposed to, and you will feel it. You gotta feel the soul down inside of you. You gotta feel it. Oh.
Me love me girl, me love me boy, me love me money and thing. But most of all, me love me browning. Love me girl, me love me boy, me love me money and thing. But most of all, me love me browning. Pamela and Dan, Suzette and Nadine, I wonder what the whole vibe of them think. Them a plan and them a con and them a scheme. Mama show me and me browning. But all the rumor them a spread. I pack up her head, my browning, not listening. No. Cause she know what she alone, but you love her to the bone. Me not hurt her feelings. Yeah, me browning, me close. Me love her the most. And everything season. Me love me car, me love me buy, me love me money and thing. And most of all, me love me brown. When me say, woman, don't worry yourself, cause everything is something. You know, say, next month I come and you must get the ring. Go in front of the pastor and get him blessing. Make him on the whole of them and give them bad feelings. Them a say them are your friends. Hey! Now singer, what have you got to say? Love the massive respect and you know say next year Buju Banton big and serious on the road scene. Trailer load, run things good boy.
All fruits ripe, Buju B. Trust us. Watch it. Oh, yeah. Oh, 61, we in one damn put the same way. Run it!
Inside the group on the vocals. Flip it over one time because they love it so much. Shamba, Wayne Wonder and Buju Banton just passing through. Hold on, there's a man called Million Teeth. They want a one touch. Quick. Million Teeth. What is that? One piece. 60 seconds and then more from Exodus. What?
See? And yeah, crap do a here my boy Tiger do a style named Gwen. Well, hear this. See? Now them church say them slick. And I crack them a lick. And them think say them smart. And I quote them as smart. Hey boy, rat on you, boy, cat. I hear sound down there around the place hot. I hear from there that they sound no start big crack. See it? You crack. You send out your house, send off your house stop. Look how your maga one time in it fat. Now you pawn out the plane, now you pawn out the pot. Say everybody come and call you dead stock. See it? You crack. You sell your mother shorts and sell your mother frock. You sell your sister jaws and sell your auntie hat. You sell your brother you crack. Everybody come and call you dead stock. With back and belly, meet the one back and belly rat. Say look find you. Hold it. No, Richie B.
And beef is in the bone. What don't concern you, neighbor?
Them a fight. Over your pony, the man them a war. Over your pony, tell them a fight. Over your pony, the man them a war.
Now Mark, check Shirley now.
Tell you put on the and me come with the original puno.
Right.
Don't boy them start to pirate it. Catch me style with kid and wily Exodus sound yet. You a celebrity. From up the dancehall and the party. Dibby sing pan song say don't test me. Cause this a sound yes I start on the country. Follow the style. Jump up and this a say your body skin out. And make me see your pan.
Right.
Cool and dead. Yes, you a celebrity vibe. Over your pony, the man them a war. Over your pony, girl them a fight. Over your pony, the man them a war. Over your pony, tell you put on the and me come with the original punoni. And no boy them start to pirate me. Catch me style with kid and wily fight. Over the pony, the man them a war. Over the pony, yeah man. That was time now you come fashion. All cocksman follow me no man. That was time now you come fashion. All cocksman follow me no man. Them a fight. Over the body, the girl them a war. Over the body, them a fight. Over the body, the girl them a war. Over the body, I just see the body super duper sad. You know, jump around your man say you can't walk. All out your man say you can't walk, girl. Kick out your foot, your man say you can't walk, girl. Wind up your body, man say you can't walk.
Rise to the one.
Because you walk him off, request you walk, girl. Because you walk him off, request you walk. Any man you get the walk him off, request you walk. Come, because you walk him off, request you walk too. You could walk to your game, could walk.
Right.
You walk to your game, could walk, girl. I no tie, you have to tie him. I no order, you have to order him. I just stick it to the state, I want you to him. Come at it.
Article Mark the Barber.
Because you walk him off, request you walk.
Things Richie B.
You walk him off, request you walk.
Buju Banton, Wayne Wonder.
I try to you walk on. Jump around him off, request you walk on. Pull up you wanna boy, when you walk on. Ball it out him off, request you walk too. You could walk to your game, could walk, girl. You could walk to your game, could walk. If I back way, kill him with the walk. Foot pan shoulder, kill him with the walk. If I side way, you kill him with the walk. Foot pan shoulder, kill him with the walk. Pump for your girl. Tell her to move up, pump for your girl. Tell her to move up, mama can't DBTV. Tell her to move up, and she dash her belly. Tell her to move up, and she skip people fat. Tell her to move up, girl. Jump around your man, say you can't walk. All out your man, say you can't walk. He go to put your man, say you can't walk.
Wagwan ENT.